What is up, you guys? Good afternoon. It's a beautiful day outside. Welcome to the vlog. Got some great stuff coming up. Actually, in a couple of days, we got tomorrow we're going to a drag strip. Then Friday night after my work, we have a supposedly going to be a huge meet in Laval. I'm going to go to Corbusier. I know where it is. And then Sunday we're gonna have the So Clean. I'm not gonna say, but another event pretty much. So we're gonna have 3 things going on this week. Can't wait to bring you guys along because you guys always know you guys have to be with me. One thing I want to mention, I checked my YouTube channel. Huge thanks to you guys. I reached 1,100 views on my channel. Thank you guys so much for that. To me, that's like a milestone. Like, my channel has reached so many. Let's be honest, 1,100 views. That's a lot. Like, in my, I'm just saying, in my opinion, 1,100 views from you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really do appreciate it. It's helping me. It's giving me confidence and everything. And even if I'm not getting hundreds of millions of subscribers or likes or anything, it's never gonna stop me from giving you guys a vlog. Never. Just like my my number one YouTuber says, you work hard and you get what you get. Or should I say, you work hard and in the future it's gonna pay off and it's gonna do well for you in the future. So he knows who he is. Alright, I'm at work now. I'm supposed to be off today. Damn it, Mike. I'm supposed to be off today, but no. Because I gotta replace someone, which is Kenneth. He's making me do somebody else's shift. 1 day off this week. It's ridiculous. But you know what? It's all good though. Extra money in my pocket, guys. Think of it that way. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much because we're supposed to go to 3 events like I told you guys before. So hopefully it doesn't rain. We'll go to Julep tonight, see what there is. Maybe grab a burger, stuff like that. So I will see you guys after work. Peace. Oh boy, good day at work like usual. It's funny, the color of the sky really looks like it's 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. in the morning. I've been up, like here and there. I've been up, like I eat in the middle of the night, so 4 or 5 in the morning I'm up, and this is how light it is. Like, this is, it looks like it's 4 or 5 in the morning, or even 6 in the morning, even. It's crazy. But it did rain though, guys. It did rain, which kind of sucks. But hopefully it's not gonna rain too much because tomorrow, Friday night, and Sunday is gonna be crazy. We got some stuff. I got some stuff planned, and you guys are coming with me. Ain't no way in hell I'm leaving you guys behind. No. That's not what I'm all about. You guys are coming with me. Alright, you guys, I stopped by the Julep like I always do, and we've got some good stuff tonight. We've got some good stuff. We got a bit of mixed here and there. Got the beautiful SI Turbo 2018.
Sorry, the car's not clean.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, man. It's all good, bro. It's actually gonna be my next car. I'm driving a Mazda. Worst idea ever.
Trust me. It's good. It's nice. You should treat me well. very easy. She will fish, man.
Yeah. I've only been driving manual for maybe 5, 6 months now. That's it.
Oh, okay. For sure. I can't carry all of it. My phone has to be here, either here. Oh, the rig's always like that. And I always ask you. What are the
So like I told you guys, there's always something at the julep. Yes, last night was the slammed meet. We had some cars that were completely low on the ground, which was honestly crazy. I've never seen that low to the ground before, but it was awesome. Today, Wednesday night, we have another good meet. Got the Subi crew right here, as a matter of fact. I'm gonna start off with the Impreza. This one right here. You guys will see it. Perfect starting car, honestly. Like,
Yo, what's up, dog?
yeah, it's my friend right here. What's up, bro?
What's up, man? Ooh.
Nice. That was nice. I didn't expect that either.
Yeah, we're just talking about it.
Well, yeah, perfect car to start off with. You know, when it comes to winter fun. You know, perfect JDM car too, yo. Like, I know, like, I've been getting rid of my Mazda, which I wanted to do. I put it on lease booster, so hopefully, you know, like, I'll get someone, but. We'll see, you know, we'll see. We're gonna walk around, so what we got. We got some BMs, got some Hondas, got some old school muscle Mustangs. We got a lot tonight for you guys. I got a lot. Just wanna apologize in advance. My flash on my phone is not the greatest, so even if I edit the video, it's not gonna make any difference, but whatever.
I went to the game.
Got an old school muscle leaving the julep. We got some over here as well. Nice one, yeah, sure. Thank God I paused it.
I never do that.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like little sparkles or something. That is nice. I'm not gonna lie. Like you guys could literally see the effects over here. Amazing. I apologize in the beginning, like I said before, sorry about the glare.
Alright, so this car I'm about to show you guys, I'm standing literally right next to it. It's it's a muscle car. It's really good though. I don't know if it's as good as the Hellcat. I'm gonna have to like go and search it up on YouTube. You know, this car versus a Hellcat. See what the reviews say and everything. I've seen this one. I've seen not this one particularly, but I've seen other ones like this at the Autodrome. Hopefully they'll be there tomorrow. It would be nice. You guys can see an old muscle car leaving. All right, that's what I do, boy. That's what I do. So yeah, you know, there's always something at the julep, you know, whether if it's slammed cars on the ground, a German meet, a Euro meet, a JDM meet. You know, like, I film all the cars for you guys because I'm all about all the cars. It's not just one, you know? I have a hard time backing up with my car manually. I don't know why. I just have that weird feeling, you know, like, because think of it. I have to focus on clutch and gas at the same time while, you know, adjusting which length or how far you're gonna be from a car and stuff like that. What's up?
What's going on, vlog? Lucky vlog is good. MTL represent.
Hell yeah, bro. Got some fans right there. But I don't know, it's just like a weird feeling I have that when I'm backing up, like I can't see very well in front of me now. This has nothing to do with the stickers. Stickers are not in the way at all. It's just a weird feeling I have. That's all. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. Alright, so I'm back in front of the Impreza and the BRZ. You know, guys, I'm obsessed with getting my Subaru. Obviously, not the BRZ because I don't want to learn. I don't want to start learning how to drift on this car because I don't know like how to. You know, when it comes to clutch kicking, you know, you gotta twist the wheel. You know, you gotta know what angle you're at. You know, and it's all about wearing out the tires, which will cost money and stuff. And you know, your car, when you're drifting, your car is always sideways, so your coolant fluid and all of that's not going to be properly going through your car well, your motor and your engine well. So for snow drifting, I want to go with this one right here because I'm not wearing out any of my tires. Plus, I don't think I'm doing any kind of harm. All you're doing is just sliding and sliding. But this is actually the STI. Sorry about that. I thought this was the Impreza. I apologize for that. But this is gonna be my next car, guys. This one right here. I like it. My friend even sent me a photo of JDM Legends. I'll show you. You guys will see it in the vlog. This is actually one of them. Because imagine me, like how crazy fast I'm. You know, I'm going like 60 kilometers an hour on these zones, 70. You know. I'm trying to kick in my intake, I'm trying to make a nice sound with my intake, but it just doesn't feel enough. You know, like right now, I want to get for my car, you know, an exhaust. We'll change the manifold, or change the manifold, not the manifold, but the cat delete there. That's something that I wanted to do, but it's not worth it because I only have the car for another year and a half, and that's it. And they're not gonna find me a car like this. The STI, they're not gonna find me one like that, unfortunately. That's gonna suck because they told me they can only get me a car that's like a 2013 or 2014 or newer, and I told them I didn't want a new car to start off with. So I have this one here. I'm shifting it hard and everything. I'm beating the hell out of it, guys. It's fun. Honestly, it's fun. I just don't feel comfortable backing up. I don't know why. It's just an issue, but an issue that I gotta work on and improve better. But yeah, that's what we got at the Julep tonight, guys. That's what we got. All right, now before I leave, I just, you know, I want to show my respect to these guys and, you know, say, you know, it's good to see you guys and that. So I'm gonna go just shake some hands, meet some new people, because that's what I'm all about, guys. You know, I could learn something from them. You never know. You never know. Hell, I'm even learning stuff from Wayne, my friend. Alright, so I spoke to my friend. He was very cool, explaining me some stuff here and there. There's a few cars that just pulled in, so I want to get that for you guys. Okay, well, the car that I'm looking for disappeared. I should have recorded that actually, to be honest. I can't find it anywhere. Yep, he just literally took off, and I'm not gonna start looking everywhere like an idiot. I guess I'm gonna just head home, relax for a bit. Hey, we saw one of my good friends. We saw a crew today. We saw the Subies and everything. So I had, you know what? Honestly, coming here is always a good night for me. Coming here is always a good night for me, even if it's just one car. Yep. Oh my God! Even if it's just one car, one modified car makes me happy. Even if it's just one, could be slammed on the ground. Could have nice wheels. Could have a wing. It doesn't matter. I'm always gonna have something for you guys. All right, just a quick little update. Sorry about the light and about the flashes and all that. I just did a launch on my car, and can't tell if it smells like tire burn or clutch burn. I haven't done a launch on my car in maybe a month. I'd say roughly a couple of weeks, but I did one. Alright, finally made it home. I'm gonna start to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for being with me today. You have no idea how much it means to me. You guys are here with me tonight, looking at the cars, watching the stuff and everything. Huge thanks for 1,100 views on my channel. It's gonna help me a lot. Plus I got more stuff coming. So seriously, thank you guys very much for your support and everything. With 1,100 views on my channel, like that's a new milestone for me. Like I didn't even think I would get that many views, but thank you guys so much for that. I'm gonna go home now, be with the family, relax, eat. Tomorrow I'm off, but tomorrow, guys, stay tuned, because tomorrow you're gonna see a lot more than what we just had tonight. We're gonna have Supras, we're gonna have Subarus, we're gonna have Hondas, Mustangs, Mazdas. We're gonna have all the cars, even 4x4s. We're gonna have everything. I'm gonna have everything for you guys tomorrow. Drag racings, burnouts, everything. So yeah, so this weekend is gonna be crazy. Thursday, tomorrow, Friday night, and Sunday is gonna be amazing. I encourage you guys, subscribe to the channel, because you guys will want to see this. A lot of events coming up. So hit me up in the comments what you guys want to see. I respect the comments, and I also read every comment. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching the video and the vlog, and I will see you guys soon. You guys are awesome, you're beautiful, and you're always one of a kind to me in my heart. Remember, see you guys tomorrow.